Welcome. Today, we're diving into the updated process of adding friends to your Instagram close friends list. This feature allows you to share your stories with a select group of people, ensuring your more personal moments are only seen by those you trust. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account, as this feature is only available on mobile for now. Next, click on your profile located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal profile page where you can manage your account settings. Once you're on your profile, look for the More icon, which appears as three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the page. Tap on this icon to reveal a menu with various options. From this menu, scroll down and select Close Friends. This section is where you can create and manage your exclusive list. Now comes the fun part. Here, you'll see a list of your followers. You can choose all the friends you want to add by clicking on the Add button next to their names. If you're looking for someone specific, there's also a search bar at the top that makes it easy to find them quickly. Once you've selected all the friends you'd like to include in your close friends list, make sure to click on the Done button at the bottom of the screen. This action finalizes your selections and saves your close friends list. And there you have it. You've successfully added friends to your Instagram close friends list. Remember, when you share a story with this group, it will appear with a green ring around it, letting them know it's special content just for them. Plus, they won't be notified when you add or remove them from this list, giving you complete control over who sees what. Enjoy sharing those exclusive moments with your closest friends.